Hello and welcome back to the next episode of By the Sea, and I am taking you to one of my favorite brunch spots in Margate. This place hasn't been here for very long, but when I found out these guys were opening in Margate, I was so happy because they have been in London for some time. So it was very exciting to find out that they were opening locally, and I am going to go inside, check out the food, meet the team, but before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Hi, I'm Jules. I'm the head chef of the Good Egg Margate.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm very excited. So I wanted to ask you that you have been in Margate not very long.
No, so we opened just a year ago, just over a year ago.
Okay.
And we're absolutely chuffed to be here. It's been amazing. The response has been brilliant.
But Good Egg is not that new.
No. So we have been open for about 10 years, believe it or not. So we started in Stoke Newington and then soon grew, opened a huge site in Soho, and then just kind of leaps and bounds from there really. Sadly had to close Soho. COVID hit us quite hard, but since opened Camden, which is a great project in the North Yard, and a bagel shop as well. So it's lots of different parts of the business.
So why Margate?
Personally, I moved here 5 years ago.
Okay.
And it was always something that I really wanted to do. Soon came to love Margate and really thought that we could work here as a business and a concept. Found lots of different sites, and then finally this one on North Town Road.
Yeah.
And it's an amazing space.
It is an amazing space.
We love it, we love it, yeah.
So what is the concept? Why the Good Egg?
Years and years ago, Joel and Alex we had a street food concept, and it was kind of sort of eggs around the world, I suppose. And then Oded came on board, another co-founder, and brought some amazing flavours from the Middle East. And so we kind of honed that idea and made it sort of more concise offer.
So how do you choose your menu? Like, how did you come up with your menu? Because your menu is small but very strong.
So I mean, personally, I do a lot of research on recipes, look at trends. I love fresh produce, colours. I think the main thing for me is freshness, the colour of the dish, bold flavours. I think that's kind of the overall kind of concept. But to make it accessible for everyone, from adults to kids, I think that's kind of the main thing for me.
And what are your most popular dishes on the
I mean, Sabik is always going to be up there. It's
That's my favorite.
I think because we do it in different formats in Margate, so we do it kind of without the pita, we do it with salad, potatoes, and I think it's just everyone just absolutely loves it flavour wise. I think the combination of the tahini, amber and zoub just kind of just bring it to life, and I think people just love it.
Absolutely. And what is your favourite?
Ooh, do you know what? I love the fish hash. Fish hash is a huge favourite. I mean, I come from, my parents are fishmongers, always love fish. We're in Margate after all. And so, fish hash is up there for me.
Oh, fantastic. I'm very, very excited for brunch today.
Oh, good. Come in. This is Izzy, front of house.
Hello. How are you?
And this is Grace. She's my sous chef. hot. And then get it nice and hot for our eggs. Kind of turmeric, black pepper, heavy spice blend. That's super tasty. I have these on everything. I think. Goes with our egg. Yes, so I think you've got to be brave with these things. I think a lot of people have favourites. We're going to change a couple of things up over the next month or so, yeah.
Wow, very
yeah, which I'm excited about. I think the chefs are excited about it.
And your French toast changes with the season?
Yeah, we often change the French toast and the granola toppings to all sorts of things.
You make everything yourself?
Pizzas come in from our amazing supplier in London, but aside from that, we make everything in-house, yeah.
It's so colourful.
Oh, thank you. That's the aim.
Now, start with coffee, of course. The sun is finally shining. Last episode, the weather was terrible. Always good. Right, I am going in with shakshuka, and we've also fried some halloumi to go with it, which obviously you can say yes or no to. But shakshuka, I've actually cooked on the channel before, and it's just such a wholesome, delicious, at the same time healthy meal. The tomato sauce is so intense and deep in flavor, and that yogurt on top is beautiful, absolutely stunning. What I love is plates are so colorful. Look at that, it's just screaming color and it's screaming freshness, and actually it delivers, absolutely delivers. With the fish, like, you know, the small things like the pickles they've done themselves, all of them, and just those little additions are actually what makes these simple dishes so beautiful. The combination of fish and mayo and potatoes, and it's just wonderful. Firstly, I have to have my favorite sabik, which they serve inside a pitta as well if you want, or you can have it in a salad form. And though the pitta is delicious, I usually do tend to go for the salad form because that's quite filling, and it's not like a few leaves, it's just so much substance. The fried aubergines and all the pickles and the onions and the potatoes. I absolutely love their food. Like I said, the menu is so simple, but the way they put it together is what makes it exciting, with the colors and the flavors and the sharpness, a little bit of chili. It's not hot, but everything is so balanced. And this is their famous French babka toast. Right, that's the brunch over, and like I said, everything was so fresh, delicious, and the flavors were so balanced. So if you are in Margate anytime soon or nearby, it's definitely worth the travel. It's a welcoming place, the team are so lovely, the food is fantastic, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back for the next video, back in my own kitchen, cooking something delicious for you. Till then, bye.